So I want to show you how to administer intramuscular injections, especially at the deltoid region, right? So watch this carefully. So there's something you have to know, as most people don't know how to administer deltoid intramuscular injection. So if I'm to change this, especially if you want to administer tetanus toxoid, it's on the left side of the hand, your arm. So this is the muscle where I'm to administer it. So how do I locate the exact muscle? You can see this my bone here, right? This is my terminal end bone. I mean, this is my collarbone. This collarbone, right? So you are going to trace it. This is it. You place your four fingers here. Now you now have to make a triangle on it. Okay? So making that triangle on it. So from this top here down, you can see, right? So I'm now measuring this where I am to start from, like from this region upwards. So what do I need to do? I need to press it. That is making the muscle to like bulge out, come out. So after aspirated, I must have aspirated my um, medication, tetanus medication. So I need to change the needle, right? This needle. There's something you have to know. Now, watch. When I aspirate, I'm not going to administer this injection like this. You can see, right? If I administer it like this, I'm going straight forward at the angle 90 degree, not slants, not 45, not 25, 90 degree. So the needle would also be shorter than this. This is longer. Now, if you look closely to this, you will see, can you see how sharp here like it is like this? So I will need to go this way. I will not turn it upside down like this. I will not go this way. I'll go this way. So again, that's number one. Number two, since I'm going like this, I mean, since I'm going this way, I will not have to put it this way. I will have to turn it upside down like this, so that upwards like this, so that it will be balanced. Can you see it's balanced? But turning it the other way, this is what happens also when somebody wants to take blood from you. Instead of them balancing it this way to take the blood so that it can be balanced, some nurses or doctors will just mistakenly take it this way. Now, can you see? Watch now. Can you see this? I want to take this blood. Now look at it. It's not balanced. Can you see it's not balanced? But if I turn it upside down, this is not balanced. Can you see everywhere is balanced? Both here too is balanced. Can you see? But watch this again. Can you see that it's not balanced? You can see it's not balanced. There is gap here. This space, there is gap here. So this is how you can accurately give an intramuscular injection out there. So when I'm done with that, I'll have to recap. And recapping it, you don't need to bring the cap and put the needle this way. No, because it could prick you. What you need to do is to keep the cap and just use this needle to just put it in already and pick it up. When you're done, you lock it. Remove the needle, discard this into the safety box. Here is my safety box. Let me show you. This is my safety box. I'm done with that. I'll discard it into the safety box. And here, this one, my syringe into the dustbin. And then, that's it. I'm done. So here is the buttocks of a beautiful female lady. I think this is Alicia or Esther or Martina. So baby, this is your buttocks. I'm going to inject it there. So please do well to hit the like, subscribe button. Try your possible best to share this video. And I will see you on the other side of the lecture. Take care.